Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Vercel, Cursor, and Cloudflare Pages. Vercel, Cursor, and Cloudflare Pages are all popular platforms for deploying websites, but they each have their own strengths. Vercel is known for its simplicity and speed, especially if you're working on Next.js. It makes deploying static and serverless web apps very easy, with automatic builds and preview for every Git push. It's great for developers who want a smooth workflow and care about performance. However, it can get expensive for larger projects or teams needing advanced features. Cursor is a new platform that focuses on AI-powered coding and collaboration. It's built more as an AI development tool rather than just a deployment platform, offering an AI assistant to help write and manage code. It's useful if you want coding support along with deployment, but it may not be as established or flexible as others for standard web hosting. Cloudflare Pages focuses on fast, secure static site hosting with a global CDN built-in. It's completely free for more static sites and it integrates well with Cloudflare's security and performance features like DDoS protection. It's a great choice if you prioritize security, scalability, and low cost, though it's more focused on static sites and doesn't have the same serverless function integrations as Vercel unless you pair it with Cloudflare workers. In my opinion, Vercel is best if you're using Next.js or want an easy developer experience with dynamic options. Cursor is useful if you're excited to try AI-assisted coding and deployment. Cloudflare Pages is a solid pick if you want fast, secure, low-cost static hosting with a global reach. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.